Boto is an automation platform that enables developers and non-developers alike to create and share their bots. Welcome to the stage the CEO, Breno.
Hi everyone. Today I would like to take you back to the beginning of the internet, Web 1.0, when the internet was still unidirectional. Only companies and developers were building websites. Then Web 2 came along to democratize Web 1, making it possible for everyone to build websites, blogs, or participate in social platforms. Now we are in the Web 3, and there's a lot going on Web 3, and I'm very passionate about that space. But today I would like to focus on the fact that information in Web 3 is being used not just by humans like it was used in Web 1 and 2, but also by machines. And that's enabled new use cases. Enables us to make automation, AI, machine learning more mainstream. And before I lose you on the automation side of things, because you might think you don't use automation, imagine when you go to Netflix to choose a movie and you see a suggestion of what to watch. Or if you're going to order food and your favorite food app suggests you what to order for dinner. This is all automation. But all this automation is built, again, by companies, not by everyone. Just like Web 1, Web 3 has a lot of unidirectional things. So how do we do to Web 3 what Web 2 did to Web 1? Welcome to the Internet of Logic. So at Boto, we're building a platform where anyone can build automation using their own logic instead of only consuming automation built by big companies. How does it work? Our platform allows anyone to build an automation by just simply dragging and drop blocks that consume machine-readable information and automating tasks that otherwise would be done manually. So you can have more time to do what you love and be creative. We have launched in August last year, so we are still in our early days. All our use cases are around Web 3, crypto, NFTs. And if I can ask you to take one thing away today, is go to our website and to our Discord community, where you're going to see more detail about all the use cases we have today. And we have a channel called Community Love, where every day we share messages, just like the ones you're seeing up there. Thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to the new internet powered by your logic. Thank you.
Good job.